Hello guys, good morning. It's on Saturday the what? The 13th, and we're currently on vacation on the island. We're finishing our first week, and then next week is going to be the second one before schools resume. I'm going to be exploring the island a bit today. A friend of mine invited me to go to some waterfall. We're in the north. The north is Sandoni. So I am going to Sampol. Sampol is as you're going towards the west, and then you go down.
Départ dans 5 minutes.
Yeah, like southwest. Let me just say like that. It's in Gilles. And we're going to explore together. So yeah. Hey, so we're not finally here, but we're walking towards the waterfall. It's called Bassin de Cormoran.
Yeah.
Yes, it's like a waterfall, a beautiful waterfall. Oh, and this is my friend. She's called Karina.
Hello.
I can hear the sound of the water. Yeah, you have a camera and your videos are so nice. You should be doing it often. It's so nice and clear. This is like a mini official hike I have ever been to. Yeah, that's why I'm excited for my part. Yeah, I've been trying to walk. Take care, boy. Guys, this is the struggle. This is the struggle we're going through. But they have nice artwork. Yeah. And it looks so beautiful. Okay, not her. The yes, the thing. Okay, whatever. Yeah. The thing looks so it looks so nice and the water is color blue. Of course, it's cold water and it's fresh water from the water comes from the mountain. Yeah, we think the water comes from the mountain. But also one thing I like about like these attractive places is that like they're free to the public. Like anyone can wake up any day and be like, I want to go to the waterfall, and you know you wake up and go to the waterfall. Like I want to go camping at the beach, and you go camp at the beach because no one is charging you. It's free for all. It's for Jesus, so it's for everyone. It's for us. So yeah. So if you're a tourist in Reunion or even in Guadeloupe was also the same thing. You can be able to do like quite a lot, and you can be able to see very many places without having to spend a lot of money. Yes. I swam, but the water is cold. But then there's a funny, I don't know if it's a concept, a funny thing about this water. When you start swimming, like even now it's freezing, but as you move towards the waterfall, like you start feeling like a very warm sensation, like there is some heat. I don't know the theory behind it, but yeah. But I'm glad we came here a bit earlier when when the sky was a bit clear and there was some bit of sun. Yeah, and there was sun because now it's starting to get a bit cold, and I'm happy I already went inside the water. So in case I don't talk again, it's been real, it's been amazing. Welcome to the waterfall, Bassin do Cormoran. Yeah, that one. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Karina will say bye too. Bye.